Remember, GraysonHobby.com is where you can get them. If you need drone batteries, we got them. Basil and Will from Grayson Hobby, and this is our weekly update for January 29th. Sounds good.
Yeah. So Chinese New Year's upon us, but we got some batteries in stock.
Yes, these are BetaFPV. We got a ton of BetaFPV.
We got 260 milliamp one cells, 300 milliamp one cells, 450 milliamp one cells, 452 cells, and the 552 cell Lava series.
These all have the BT2.0
connectors.
2.0
and on the 2 cells they have XT30s.
Yes. But Will, we have all these batteries. Where are the drones?
Stay tuned, guys. Any day now,
Sold out.
We're doing on more Meteor Air 65, 75, 75 Pros, and 85s. Completely sold out. Chinese New Year hit.
But Chinese New Year ends February 4th, and these should be rolling out about the 10th.
So any day now.
February. Unfortunately, though, the drones will be here. Not just for us, but for pretty much everybody. And sad news, we have sad news to say about the beta.
The Meteor 85?
The Meteor 85
and 75 Pro.
Digital Walksnail is no longer going to be produced. We ordered some, and they took them off our order.
Yeah. Guys, comment in the script, link below. What did you say? Comment in the...
Leave a comment
Yeah.
about that.
How do you feel about that?
DJI fan or are you a Walksnail fan? So with this new one, you're only be able to use...
So the new one is catered to the DJI. However, it looks like you could literally drop a Walksnail system into it, pretty much plug it in. All you gotta do is make sure your pinouts are correct.
I don't think it's gonna be that easy.
I think it is, because DJI...
Nothing's this easy in the hobby.
No, yeah, that's true. I'll give them that one. Okay. But we're gonna try to get one of the 04 65s in to see if we can get a Walksnail on that, and if that's the case, possibly convince Beta to make a Walksnail version.
Yeah, there's a lot of politics, we believe, going on with that. We're not going to get into the politics. We're just here to tell you the Meteor 85 Walksnail, at least for the current time, is no longer being offered by Beta.
Which is sad, because it's one of our favorite drones.
Yes, because everybody loves...
Digital is awesome. The Beta 85 is awesome.
Everybody loves these goggles, and you know who the other company is.
Yeah.
All right. Is that it? Is that all we got? Anything else?
So check it out, GraysonHobby.com. BetaFPV, Lava, keyword searches right there. Check out the batteries in stock. If you're looking for the one drones, sign up for the email notifications. Once they're back in stock, it'll email you and it'll let you know we got them.
Yes, and also we'll send an email out when they come in. And if you're local, stop on bin. We have all the batteries here, so because these will sell out. People will. It's like for every drone we sell at least 4 packs.
With these micros, it's just too much fun.
Yeah,
too much fun.